Cameraman here, folks. We got Junkman over here, and we got Stuntman over there. How you feeling tonight, Junkman?
You wanna know how I'm feeling? I'm feeling angry! I'm mad! Yesterday was 65 degrees out, today it's 40. And then on top of it, we were watching last year's vacation video, and my wife noticed my Speedo was a little snug. And she's got me eating healthy. I went home tonight and expected a bowl of nice linguine bolognese, and I got a grilled chicken Caesar salad. Just because it's named after an Italian doesn't mean Italian wants to eat it. And before anybody says anything, I know it wasn't named after an emperor.
Junkman, I think I got something for you.
Well, let me tell you what's going on tonight, all right? Obviously, Junkman's a little pissed off. We got a Buick here with a 3800 motor. I'm gonna rip the crack out of it. I'm gonna do a whole shitload of donuts and rally work, the rally work that I used to do all the time that you guys used to love.
All right. Junkman, how you feel? Oh, it looks like you're back to yourself.
How's everybody doing tonight?
He's ready to go now. That's all he needed. All right, folks. We're gonna set this up. It's gonna be out of control. All right, here we have Stuntman. He's in the Buick Regal. 3800 motor.
That ain't the Grand National, is it?
This ain't a Grand National. What you got, Stuntman? Wow, folks. Oh, it's chugging already.
Oh.
Did he blow it up already? Folks, we got us a hurt Buick. Stuntman ain't stopping for nothing. Wow, folks. Me and Junkman are trying not to die. I'm dodging a bull, folks! This is unbelievable. Wow, folks! Stuntman's hot tonight! Me and Junk are getting our aerobics right now, running away from this thing. This ain't your grandfather's Buick, folks. Figure eights all night long. Peggy Fleming. He's just got it starting to breathe. Wow. He's slapping puddles right in the mouth. Thing sounds like a woodpecker on crack in there. Who hears that motor? Raise your hand. Wow, that was close. Looks like we almost bought us a Chrysler. Wow. He's test driving it, folks. He always wanted a Regal. That was a Regal performance. Stuntman loves him a close call.
Stuntman's got skills.
Figure eights all night. Not bad for a kid your age. Wow.
I have news for you. No one's made me move that fast.
Yeah,
I had Thai food a few weeks ago.
watch this.
Come on, man. You're out of your fucking mind. I can't even put that on. Oh, folks, I tell you, nothing like a Regal. That was a Regal performance, I gotta tell you.
All I got here is what's it got? Stuntman!
And it's on. He's just showing us that is true. Now, you know what? It still runs beautifully. You gotta love a General Motors product, folks.
And let me tell you, my other concern was my man, Junkman, getting his hands on a Snickers.
Yes, that was very important. He's himself again, folks.
I feel better, thank you.
What did you think of this 3800 motor? This is a 3800, right?
I held up pretty good.
Listen, it's making a noise. It's like a bunch of little midgets inside the motor with hammers knocking around.
I said it sounded like a woodpecker on crack.
Pretty much.
It's Morse code. Hold on, it says, please tell stuntman to stop.
Wow, he's good. He's good.
Let me tell you, that's from his days back in Vietnam, you know?
Folks, like, comment, subscribe. We're going to be coming to you guys every single day with content, just like we did last year. And you know we ain't stopping till we got the million, folks. And when we get the million, we're putting up 5 videos a day. And you know that. Woo!